Alright guys, we're here at one of Bangkok's biggest, most famous antique furniture stores here in Bangkok. So this is our first time here. Let's go ahead and give it a tour. This is called Papaya. It's about a 30-minute drive from central Bangkok. And as you can see, we're completely immersed in everything. There is so much to look at. Wow. And it's got a very antique, kind of older vibe. But man, just look at how big this place is. You could probably spend a couple hours here. This is crazy. So let's see what we can find here. The reason we're here is actually we're moving into a huge, like 200 square meter apartments in Thong Lo in Bangkok. And yeah, we gotta fill up the space. So we're gonna see if we can find some interesting things here. See, an accent chair like this would look good, I think. So for example, this chair here is 8,000 baht. Wow, 8,000 baht for that is very expensive. So I wouldn't anticipate coming here thinking that everything's gonna be cheap. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty pricey. For example, this right here is 5,000 baht. That is expensive. It makes IKEA look cheap. So we've got all these faces here. For example, this little thing here is 1,000 baht. But in America at a Goodwill, this would be like $5. As you can see, there is just so much to look at. We got the vintage cookware here. This is a orange crusher, and this thing is 500 baht. That's more than 20 bucks for this piece of plastic. Wow, look at this thing. It's like a UFO. Wow, look at this chair. So even though the prices are quite expensive, I mean, the designs are something you will never find anywhere else, I feel like. Oh yeah, I like this. This is nice. Oh, look at the table. That's cool. Wow. We've got the wall of clocks here. Man, just look at the story behind each of these pieces. Wow. Got a nice bar area. Again, got the Star Wars thing. This is crazy. It's 120,000 bahts. Wow, so vintage. Got a bunch of cool retro lamps here. Wow, look at all of these busts. I don't think I've ever seen this thing before. Got some violins, some banjos. They've got another Star Wars thing right there. I don't know what's the obsession with this. Oh, this is nice. See, they've got some modern looking, mid-century modern pieces like this. Yeah, I do not recommend you buy one of these things. I've seen way too many movies. Just like, where do they get all this stuff? This is probably like generations and generations of things, like hundreds of years old. All right, let me just do a slow little panorama of this first floor as we make our way up to the second floor. Oh, you find something? Oh wow, look at all these toys. Spider-Man. Wow, that's cool. Ah, these are cool. They got the snack machines. Everything is just perfectly organized. Got the classic cars. Wow, they've even got a cause right here. And why'd they put this here? I don't know if I can show that on YouTube, but they put a... I'll let you guys guess what that is. All right, guys, let's go upstairs. Oh, nice. Got the vintage little small bottles. Alright, we are here on the second floor. So it seems like kind of living room stuff. I like these lamps. Some very, very eccentric furniture. This is what I love about designs from back in the day. They had character. They had personality. This is a snake. Wow, very mid-century modern stuff right here. Wow, I just like the color. You like this color? We can use this. You can try to sit in it.
I don't know, it's strong.
Yeah, I don't know, it's strong enough. So they just got a bunch of random things like this. Wow, look at the paintings. It's kind of scary actually. Wow, they got a bunch of nice guitars here. As you can see, they have a lot of paintings. Wow, look at that one. A lot of these are super creepy. Scared. Yeah, that's super creepy. You can see they have a lot of different types of paintings here. What is this?
Like sound smaller.
Yeah, like a speaker? I don't know. Just got a bunch of different instruments here. Got some speakers, radio players. We've got all of these statues right here. I'm not too sure, but I think these are the Thailand's kings of previous generations. We even have some clothes here. Wow, that's pretty cool. Got some shoes.
It's not look too old.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Money style.
Old money style, classic. So we have a bunch of different types of tables. I'm not sure we will get anything here, to be honest. What is this? It looks like boobs. And it's like a uterus, right? I don't know if I can show this stuff on YouTube. That's a grown man. Oh, maybe we should look for like some paintings. But I don't know if this style is matching us, but it's kind of nice. 4,000. Yeah. Oh yeah, we definitely need some mirrors. Wow, they've got some huge perfume bottles. I think we need to get some perfume, right?
It's very big.
Oh wow, this is Hugo Boss. Hugo Boss Energy. It's called Energize. Yeah. Where's that Chanel blue? Wow. Seriously, this place is just so unexpected. This must be from all the older schools and universities. This one says it's not for sale. Human skull molds. Wow. Literally have everything here. It's like for a dentist, right? Dentist chair. Oh, this is for a gynecologist. Put the legs up here. You want to get this? Yeah, very academical. The Thailand's labor laws. Oh, it's in English too. Wow, this looks like some ancient numerology. All right, guys, that was the second floor. Now let's go up to the third floor. I can't imagine what's on the third floor after everything we've already seen. Oh, this is crazy. Got some medieval swords. Not sharp, very rusty. Yeah, so this seems like the third floor is like the oldest things we've seen so far. Just look at that bed. Yeah, it looks expensive. I kind of like this because it has like a nice story. It's like nice color to it. Oh, that's even cooler. This is medical supplies. That's cool. I'm owning a piece of Thai war history. As you can see inside. Oh, this is nice. That's not bad. Look at these like emoji looking things. They've got more Oasis brands. Wow, they seriously have a lot of chairs here. Probably like 1,000 or so. Wow, they got the life-size replicas right here. Got Batman. Got Batman right here. Then we got the Star Trooper. Again with the creepy paintings. Oh, they have another floor up here. Let's check it out. Okay, so we got some rugs. This is our first time seeing rugs. Wow. Really nice. Got a lot of different styles. Nice touch of colorful. Oh, so I guess so I guess they have plans of making another floor, but seems like it's not finished. Wow, they've got some crazy pieces. Like, look at this chair. Very grandiose, very eccentric. It's not comfortable at all. Oh, it's so dusty. I got dust all over me now. Wow, what is this? This is a candle? It's literally just like a hollow piece of plastic, but it's 7,000 baht. It weighs like 2 kilograms. This is literally just plastic tubing. Oh, okay. If it comes with all of it, then that's not bad actually, but got a fat, I don't know, this is Michelangelo, I'm not sure, but we also have a smaller one just in case you need it.
Like in the Toy Story.
Yeah. Wow, look at that. Oh, this is cool. Wow, poker table. That's cool. You can even hold your cocktails, glasses right there. Alright guys, we are back on the first floor. Now, even though this place is absolutely massive, we actually didn't find anything to buy. And I came here, prepared to shop a bit, but I would still recommend coming here just because it's quite a fun experience, just looking at all the kind of history of all these items they have. The place is called Papaya, and this was a little tour. Wow, interestingly, they actually have another one right here. So I didn't plan on recording this as well, but might as well check this place out. It's called Pok Pok. Already, I can kind of already see what to expect. Probably a very similar vibe. All right, let's see what's in here. So this place looks a bit more organized, or like less crowded. Oh, that's cool. So you can stack it like that and then that's cool. Oh, actually, I like these chairs right here. That's nice. That's really nice. Looks really high quality. How much is something like this? Wow, even the padding is nice. No way. Is this what I think it is? No way. They have a Herman Miller here. Yo. This is the Aeron model, I think. This is like $2,000. How much is this chair here? 23,000. 23,000. That's around $600, I believe. It's actually not that bad. They say this is like the best chair in the world for office chair. It's like it support your lower back. Wow, this is cool. Wow, I've never seen anything like this. This chair is insane. Wow, it feels actually pretty comfortable. see what else they have. So we've got like a bunch of different rooms, a little bit less cluttered. And actually, I think the design here is a lot more modern than the previous place. I think the selection here is a lot better actually. Let's proceed to the next room. Oh, we've got a lot of stuff here. Oh, wow, they got a old Mac computer. Oh, baby. You know that movie, Talk to Me? Wow, nakwa 진짜.
They sound like this.
Yeah. Wow, they have a huge soccer ball. Wow. So this is the space. I think it's about half as big as the other one. This one is called Junk Garage. This one here is BKK 159 Collector. So it's like they all have their own shops. Let's check out here. Recap. So they have a lot of ornaments and action figures. Wow, that is crazy. So if you're a collector, I think you should definitely hit up somewhere like this. Wow, they even have autograph signs. Wow. Wow, let's see what's in here. Oh, we got like a not a speaker room. I was gonna say speakeasy. Wow, the sound quality is amazing though. Wow. We got all these vintage albums. The Blues Brothers. Wow, that dog just came out of nowhere. Alright guys, that was the tour of these furniture stores. I highly recommend checking them out. I'll have the links to the description. And yeah, we didn't end up buying anything to be honest, but it was a good experience nonetheless. Follow me on Instagram and make sure to join my free digital nomad community down in the description below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.